in a series of fraction. Today's topic is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. When we multiply one fraction by another fraction, we multiply numerators together and we multiply denominators together. It means product of fractions equals to product of numerators by product of denominators. So how? Let us see one example. 3 by 5 multiply 12 by 15. Here numerator is 3 in 3 by 5 and in 12 by 15 numerator is 12. So we will multiply numerators, it means 3 multiply 12, and we will multiply denominators, it means 5 multiply 15. Here we can multiply the numerators and denominators, we can find out the products, and after that we can simplify our final answer. Or we can do one more thing that I am going to explain to you, that is we can cut here also. Like this, we know that 3 and 15 both have common factor 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. We can do like this also. Now it is more simplified. It means 12 by 5 into 5. And we know that 5 fives are 25. So it is 12 by 25. So it is our final product of fractions 3 by 5 and 12 by 15. Now let us take one more question, that is 5 by 18 multiply 54 by 45. Here numerators are 5 and 54 and denominators are 18 and 45. So we will multiply 5 multiply 54 and 18 multiply 45. Now again we can observe the numerators and denominators and we will find out the common factor. So here we can say that 5 and 45 both have common factor, which is 5. So we can divide in 5 and 45 by 5, and 18 and 54 we can divide by 18 and 54 also, because 18 is a common factor of 54 and 18. So how we can do that? Just see, 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 45. And here 18 ones are 18 and 18 threes are 54. Now we will just multiply 1 threes are 3 and 1 nines are 9. So here 3 by 9. Now we can simplify this 3 by 9 by dividing 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. It means 1 by 3 is our final answer. One more question. Here 1 and 7 by 8 multiply 3 and 1 by 5. Both are mixed numbers. So I have told you, whenever there are mixed numbers, we need to convert it into improper fraction. So here 8 ones are 8 plus 7, that is 15 by 8, multiply 5 threes are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. We have converted mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now we will multiply numerators and denominators respectively. So here 15 multiply 16 and 8 multiply 5. Now again we can simplify at this stage also. How? Very simple it is. Through practice you can do it very fast. 5 ones are 5 and here 5 threes are 15, because 5 is a common factor of 15 and 5. Then here common factor of 8 and 16 is 8. So we can divide by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So now what are our remaining questions? 3 and 2. It means 3 twos are 6. 6 is our final answer. Now let us do one more question. Here it is. 3 and 11 by 15 multiply 1 and 42 by 63. These are also mixed numbers. So at first we will convert these into improper. So 15 threes are 45 plus 11. It means 56 by 15 multiply 63 ones are 63 plus 42 105 by 63. Now what we will do, we will just multiply numerators and denominators. It means we will write like this: 56 multiply 105 and 15 multiply 63. Now here we can simplify at this stage. So I am going to teach you how to simplify at this stage. So like this, we know that 56 and 63, the common factor of 56 and 63 is 7, and we know that 7 8s are 56 and 7 9s are 63, and we know that 15 and 105, the common factor is 15. 15 ones are 15 and 15 sevens are 105. It means in numerator we have 8 multiply 7 and in denominator it is 9. Now we will just simply multiply numerators. 8 sevens are 56 by 9 equals to 56 by 9, and we will convert it into mixed number. It is 6 and 2 by 9. So it is our final answer. Take one more question. Here it is: 9 and 1 by 11 multiply 10 and 1 by 12. These are mixed numbers. So in first step we will convert it into improper. It means 11 nines are 99 plus 1 100 by 11. 12 tens are 120 plus 1 121 by 12. Now what we will do, we will just multiply the numerators first. It means 100 multiply 121 and 11 multiply 12. Now we will simplify at this stage, and it is very easy also. So how we will do this? Very simple. We know that 11 11s are 121. It means 11 11s are 121 and it is 11 ones are. Now 12 and 100. We know that it can be also divided by 4. 4 threes are 12 because 4 is common factor of 112, and here it is 25. So what we have now? In numerator part 25 multiply 11, and in denominator part 3 ones are 3, it means 3. Now we can easily multiply this. 25 multiply 11, that is equals to 275 by 3, and because it is improper fraction, let us convert it into mixed number. Just divide in 275 by 3 and we will get our mixed number, that is 91 and 2 by 3. Let us do one more question. Here it is: 12 and 1 by 2 multiply 3 and 1 by 5. These are mixed numbers. At first we will convert it into mixed into improper. 12 twos are 24 plus 1. It means 25 by 2 multiply 16 by 5. Now we will multiply numerator and multiply denominators. It means 25 multiply 16 and 2 into 5. Now we can simplify at this stage like this. 5 ones are 5 because common factor of 5 and 25 is 5. So here 5 fives are 25. Now common factor of 2 and 16 is 2. So 2 ones are 2, and here 2 eights are 16, like this. So here we will get 5 into 8, which is equals to 40. Very simple it is. Next question is 7 by 11 multiply 33 by 49 multiply 14 by 44. There are three fractions, but rule will be same. Product of numerators by product of denominators. It means 7 multiply 33 multiply 14 by 11 multiply 49 multiply 44. Now we will simplify it, and it is very simple and just like a game. So how we will do? 7 and 49. We know that common factor is 7. So here 7 ones are 7 and 7 sevens are 49. And here 14 and 7, the common factor is 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Now 33 and 44, the common factor is 11. So 11 threes are 33 and 11 fours are 44. Now 2 and 4, the common factor is 2, the common divisor is 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So now we can get this 3 by 11 multiply 2. It means 3 by 22. It is a proper fraction and it is our final answer. The next question is this: 33 by 16 multiply 24 by 15 multiply 8 by 9. Similarly, we will write like this: 33 multiply 24 multiply 8, then 16 multiply 55 multiply 9. Now we will simplify it and it is very simple. We know that 33 and 55, the common divisor is 11. So 11 threes are 33 and 11 fives are 55. Then 8 and 16, the common divisor is 8. It means 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. And 24 and 2, the common divisor is 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twelves are 24. Now we can write like this: 3 threes are 9. So here it is 12 by 5 into 3 and it is 4 by 5 because we know that 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. The common factor of 12 and 3 is 3. That's why. So 4 by 5 is our final answer and it is a proper fraction. So no need to convert. One more question. Here it is: 2 and 3 by 4 multiply 1 and 7 by 17 multiply 6 and 3 by 8, and all are mixed numbers. So whenever your question is in the form of mixed number, you need to convert it into improper. 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4, 17 ones are 17 plus 7, 24 by 17, 8 6 are 48 plus 3, it means 51 by 8. So these are the improper fractions. Now in a same manner we will multiply numerators and we will multiply denominators like this: 11 multiply 24 multiply 51, 4 multiply 17 multiply 8. Now we can simplify at this stage. Yes, we can simplify and it is very simple now. So we know that the table of 17 and we can say that 17 and 51, the common factor is 17. It means 17 ones are 17 and 17 threes are 51 and 8 ones are 8 and 8 threes are 24. Now what we will get in numerator part: 3 threes are 9, 9 11s are 99 by 4. So it is our answer, but it is in improper fraction. So we will convert it into mixed number. So we will divide in 99 by 4 and what we will get then? Yes, our mixed number will be 24 and 3 by 4. It is very easy. Now let us take one more question. Here it is: 1 and 2 by 3 multiply 7 by 8 multiply 3 and 1 by 5. Here two fractions are mixed. So what we will do, we will convert these two into improper. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3, and 5 threes are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. So it is our question now: 5 by 3 multiply 7 by 8 multiply 16 by 5. Now we will multiply these numerators and our new numerator will be 5 multiply 7 multiply 16 and denominator part will be 3 multiply 8 multiply 5. Now we will simplify. And to simplify the things is very easy. We know that 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Now 8 and 16, there is a common factor which is 8. It means 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. Now what is remaining? 7 into 2 means 14. 7 twos are 14 and denominator part will be 3. So it is 14 by 3, and because it is improper fraction. That's why we will convert it into mixed number. We will divide in 14 by 3 and our mixed number will be 4 and 2 by 3. So it is our final answer. It means multiplication of fraction is very easy. So my dear students, practice it, practice well, because the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Goodbye.